Hello, I am Naveed Mukhtar from ZR Visas. We are OISC registered immigration advisor with 15 years of experience in immigration law and practice. We provide advice to public and to the businesses. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic. When people make their visa applications to extend their stay in UK and their visa runs out, then they get a problem for their employments because they normally ask uh, a proof of their new visa or whether the visa has been extended. They want to see the evidence, and unfortunately, there is not much evidence available uh, because applications are submitted online, and some people fear that they might lose their jobs. In this video, we are going to discuss that what is the law, who regulates the situation like this when somebody make a valid visa application within immigration rules, and if their application is pending, what is their legal status in UK. The law which actually is applicable in this situation is the Section 3C of Immigration Act 1971, which regulates a situation. Three conditions must be met in 3C section to qualify for this uh, to qualify for this rule. The first one is the person who has a valid visa in UK and they made their application before their current visa ran out, and they have not withdrawn their application and no decision has been made on the application yet. Under section 3C, it says here their visa status will remain exactly the same and they can continue work in UK. If the employers are asking you to provide evidence, we are going to discuss that in next section, but you can always tell them that this is the law who regulates uh, the situation like this when the visa is actually ran out. There are some exceptions to the general rule. For example, the people who has not made their visa applications on time or the visa actually expired. So then these exceptions will apply, and then you should get specialist advice about that. Okay, so what documents you can provide to your employer to satisfy that you still have a valid permission to work in UK or you are allowed under the law? The first thing you can tell your employer that you have submitted your application. Because applications are submitted online, they will normally have a 16-digit long reference number. That could be unique application reference number on the first page of your application or on the checklist. If you can provide your employer with the reference number, or maybe you, if you like, you can print a copy of the checklist or the application form, that is going to be a very valid source that your application was submitted online. uh, the second one you can do is you can ask your representatives like us. We normally provide a letter to our clients that we submitted their application and under the law they are allowed to carry on their work. Most of the employers will accept this as an evidence, and they will let their employees continue their job and work which they are doing with them. If they're still not happy and they need more evidence, then there is a service on official UK government website that is called Employer Checking Service. In that service, employer can provide their details, their business details, and then if they provide your personal details, including your name, the place where you live, your date of birth, your nationality, how many hours you are working, if they provide these details, they can do an employee check online. That is the quickest way for employers to do that. We recommend soon you submit your application online, please provide this information to your employers so it will not cause any disruption to your job or your employment. In particularly, if you are a taxi driver or if you are in any similar profession where you need to provide evidence of your work to the local council or to the government organizations, they are quite strict, and we had a lot of clients telling us that council will not actually accept this evidence. So please provide provide the evidence as soon as possible to the council, and then they will be able to verify it. So it will not cause any delays or disruption to the job or the work you're doing. We hope this video answers some basic questions and give you some idea how you can deal with that. We have 15 years of experience, and we have 5-star reviews. We provide advice in English, Urdu, Punjabi, Saraiki, and Hindi. If we can do anything for you, or if you need any help or advice, please visit our website, and our contact number and email address are given in the link. Thank you for watching the video.